Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, February the 3rd. Well, guess what? We have recovered almost all of our losses. You can see year to date we're ahead $2,800. And let's take a look at the chart of the SPY. And so we can see our channel. That's not showing it. There it is. Okay, so you can see that now we have an uptrend. The downtrend has been broken, at least the current. There is still a larger trend going down. But now we have this line of support here, which is where the previous high was, and we have a line of resistance where the previous high to that was. Okay, so these are points of interest where the market may bounce back or hit a wall, sort of say, is the resistance there, and it would match the uptrend channel here, and then a little bit of a pullback from there and perhaps go back, who knows. Right now the stochastics is way up there, so that means we have been going up strongly. The TM squeeze is also doing well. Okay, so we can estimate that this market will go to 431 sooner or later. It might pull back a little bit, but I think this is the next target. Okay, and so I'm going to leave those channels there for future reference. But if we go to a weekly chart, we would see that the trend is still sort of low, okay, but now it's forming a new high, so we can't do much until this uptrend is reversed, and if it's going to go down, then we would have a different channel. This channel is not dominant anymore, but it serves us also as a support line, just like this one is a support line. The Ichimoku cloud is a support. See how it's red? That means we are still in a downtrend, or we are in the process of reversing it. Okay, all right, so it doesn't really matter. We are trading on the upside, and that's good. All right, so we have $349 in cash here. So we would need to enter more capital in order to make a new trade, and because we do this every week, we add $500, and we can adjust the cash. And unless we have 500 available here as buying power or cash and sweep vehicle, so we don't get to 500, or really 415 is our current price. All right, and so we're gonna buy one more. So we are adding $500. Again, this is all fake money. This is not real. This is just for demonstration purposes, how you every week put $500 in this SPY. It costs you next to nothing, and other than your deposit every month. You can every week. You can do this every month. You can do it every second week, or you can do less money until you get enough money every week. You can put $200 until you get to enough money to buy new shares. And we're gonna buy just one share. So let's go to the Analyze tab. And here you can see, in this Analyze tab, you can see your average price is $421.26. Once this number is passed, then we will be on the plus side. And right now we are $463 away. Okay, so we are in the process of reversing. Great. So let's add a trade. Just click on the Ask, and that will give you 100 shares, which we don't want. We just want one of them. Why? Because it's too much money. And here is $416. Let's put 1605 and buy that, and then we will have 88 shares. Confirm that and send, and it should get filled shortly. And there it is. Now we have 88 shares, and our average price is $421. It reduced just a little bit, and there you have it. Okay, this tells you how much money you make or lose depending on how much the stock declines. We don't care. We are in an uptrend right now, and it looks like it's going to hit the previous high. But before we do that, we have to overcome all these hurdles along the way, which were the previous highs. All right. It may pass them. It may pull back from then. Who knows? We don't care. But it's just an observation that I want to mention to you. Okay. But for now, we are in an uptrend. That's good. All right. So eventually, all of that will change, and we will start seeing this PNL, which is our key number, which tells us whether we are making money or not. Okay. So we started this process 88 weeks ago, obviously, and at the time the market was somewhere here in the top, and I said, well, that would be a nice demonstration that even though you started up here, we went to a low here and we kept on buying, and now we are in an uptrend, and now we have 88 shares. And that means that for every dollar that the SPY goes up, we made $800, and that has reversed most of my losses by now. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.